Let's make a theme song.
No one knows when their turn is done. Gonna live while we can before our time runs out, 'cause there's never another now.
And just like that, there's your theme song. All right, you ready? One more time. All right, I think that's got it.
Got a text on my phone.
That much done. Only have that much more to do. I don't know if we have enough daylight today.
It's like she wants me to know where she's at, but don't want to say where she is, to show me she ain't looking back, and she's somewhere that I could have been, soaking up that summer sun, coconut lotion on her skin, and she's rubbing it in, rubbing it in, rubbing it in.
All right, day 2. I'm gonna go ahead and seal the roof. Went and got a mop. I think this will go much faster.
Is there some other guy sitting there by her side? Does a part of her wish it was me? Are her pretty red lips taking rum-soaked sips? Is her long hair blowing in the breeze? Or is it just a way she can get back at me and make me wanna be with her? The message she sent ain't hard to get. I ain't in the picture.
That should hold us over for a few months. Hey, Grayson. How you doing this morning? Good. Good. All right. That wasn't so bad. So I need to sanitize the water tank. I've never done this. We've never used the freshwater tank, so I have to mix up a bleach solution and fill the tank, let it sit for a while. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, so by my calculation, if it's 8 pounds per gallon and I have a 400-pound weight there, that's right at just under 50 pounds of water. So it's a 1/4 cup of bleach for every 15 pounds. So 45, so 3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna do a whole cup just because we've never done this before. All right, well, it seems like we have a problem already. I was filling the freshwater tank and I got this leak. That doesn't look good. So I have to figure out where that's coming from. I gotta take this whole bottom skirt off and see what I can find. I have a theory and I hope I'm wrong. A couple of winters ago, I neglected to winterize and came back from Christmas to all busted faucets, a busted toilet, and a cracked water heater. Had to replace most everything. I'm hoping it's not a crack in the freshwater holding tank, but I'm gonna take that skirt off and find out. Well, we found the leak. It is right there in that green water hose. So it could be worse. At least I don't think there's a hole in the actual water tank itself. So what we're gonna do is roll with it like it is. I'm gonna Google how to fix it, see if I can find a new tube. But Becky had a good idea. She said, let's just get a hose, cut the end off, and stick it all the way down the tube into the water tank when we're filling it up, bypassing the leak. She's so smart. She went to that Texas A&M University. Also, remember, this whole thing started because I wanted to sanitize the fresh water tank. So I'm gonna let that sit in there for about 3 hours and let this storm blow over, and I'll come back either tonight or tomorrow and clear out the lines of all the winter RV antifreeze, and yeah, should be good to go. But I got my first ever artist guitar. Thank you so much, amiguitars out in California. John Frenzy, Dave McKinney, thanks for the hookup here and a good word. Wow. Look at that. It's got the mother of pearl inlay on it. I'm gonna tune it up, see how it sounds. Sounds great. I'm impressed. Alright, so it's another day. The lines should be sanitized. I'm gonna go ahead and de-winterize this thing. So here we go. Let's turn the water pump on. On. All that antifreeze that's in the lines coming out. Alright, looks like that one's getting clear. Oh yeah. Alright, so I just finished writing a song. Let's see, it's 2:29. I got about an hour. So I'm going to make the most of it. I'm going to install this new shower head. It's a Oxygenics Fury RV. We're not being endorsed by them in any way whatsoever. So if it's horrible, I'll just return it. It's supposed to be really good. So let's put it in and see what happens. Now, if you spend any time in an RV, you know that this is unacceptable. There is barely any water pressure that comes through here. The cord's very short, and I don't know why, but they put this thing here, and it's a ring, like it's attached, and you can't get your shower hose out of it. It made no sense to me. It broke, like of course it would. So let's look at this one now. Got a longer cord, longer hose, it looks like. Got this nice little holder that's going to go on the wall. Will allow me to take it off the wall if I want to. What a concept. All right. Be a highly technical replacement. How much better it works. Let's see. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Holy cow. That's a real shower. That's a vast improvement over the old one.
Big day today. We are getting the couch out and we're going to see if the chair I ordered fits. It's here.
It's here. Nothing like fine furniture from a box.
It's like building with Legos.
Good job.
But you have to have screws.
All right. Hey!
I threw some Benjamins down on a blackjack table and lost them in nothing flat. I spent the rest of the night and my next week's paycheck.
Good job, hon.
Good job.
Woohoo! Let's go, homie. Yay!
Hindsight being what it is, I kind of wish I hadn't have taken this off, but I'm telling myself it was worth it to verify that there wasn't a leak in the freshwater tank because that freeze was so bad a few years ago. So I'm just gonna go with that.
Most problems in life ain't hard to sort out. Yeah, all it takes It's some WD-40 and duct tape.
Just like that. RVing's fun. All right, you're gonna have 2 bars. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bars. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2. Give me another one. That's good. Beautiful. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Well, these would be resung, some harmonies, put some electrics on. Oh, mandolin, got a banjo, shaker. I don't know, lots of other stuff, but it's almost perfect.
We're all on this ride around the sun. No